Okay, in this particular one, we're going to talk about theory. So you randomly choose one of the letters shown. What is the theoretical probability of choosing a vowel? So if I take a look at all my letters here, we got to figure out which ones are vowels. Well, my O and my E are vowels. And there's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 possible. So we'd have, oh, I'm sorry, I have an E up here as well. E, O, and E. So there's 3 possible blocks of the total of 7. So that's my theoretical is 3 out of 7. I told you could also do it as a decimal or fraction. So if you're doing it on your calculator, you could just take 3 divided by 7, and you get 0.428, which means I could round it to 0.43, or I could say 43%. So here's my fraction probability, my decimal, or my percent probability. Any of those 3 ways should work just fine. So then the next one, for an example, I'm going to erase this for a moment. My next question is, the theoretical probability of winning a bobblehead when spinning a prize wheel is 1/6. So you got a 1 chance out of 6 to win this bobblehead when it's spinning. The wheel has 3 bobblehead sections. So if it's 1 out of 6, I'm envisioning something like this, where there's 6, no, that's only 4 sections, sorry. I got to think of 6 sections. Make thirds, make the big Y, and then divide it into 6. So I've got 6. So if it's 1/6, this is my bobblehead, but I have 3 bobblehead sections. That might be too confusing to draw it like that. So I know that it's 1/6, and there's 3 bobblehead sections. Set it up as a ratio, and I want to know how many sections that has. So it makes sense that each one of those are big. I can still do that. So this is your 6, but each one has 3 bobblehead sections. So this has 3, this one has 3, all of them have 3, so it'd be out of 18. So times 3 times 3 would be out of 18. If each one has 3 sections, it'd be 18 in all of them. That makes sense. So if you think you understand these two, then you may click next to try one on your own.